2020, my people, welcome to my channel, and I hope you all enjoyed your holiday. If you're working and you needed a break, I hope you've had enough rest and you're ready to start your year and you're ready to go back to work. Yes, I am also super ready, and I feel like I'm so pregnant right now. Like I have so many things I need to achieve, and I hope you who's watching this, you also have something that you excited about come this year. So on today's video, our main focus is just to talk about 5 habits that will help you get your 2020 together. These are things that I practiced in 2019 and they helped me when I started my company, and it's something that I'd love to share with you. So let's get into this. When I'm talking about habit is something that you do over and over until it becomes a lifestyle. If you watched most of my videos last year, one of my goals last year was fitness, and I was able to do it until it got to a point whereby I could not start a day without working out. And even if I could not make it to the gym, I could just work out from my house. So yes, that was a habit that I formed last year, and I'm hoping I'll carry it to 2020 as well. So point number 1 on the habits that you need to have is plan your day before the next day. Am I making sense? Like, this is what I mean. When you're on your to-do list, on your to-do list, once you finish everything, like now at the end of the day when you're going through ticking things that you've achieved on a day, you come up now with the list for the next day. Like write down the things that you need to achieve the next day. Do that. It will help you, because when you're going to sleep and even waking up, you know what you're waking up to do, not just waking up blindly, not knowing which side am I going to start from, which side am I going to, what am I supposed to achieve this day. Please plan your day before you go to bed or before you end your day. Plan your day for the next day. I hope I'm making sense. So something else that I need to mention on this planning your day before is that you need to finish your daily task before going to bed. For example, in your house, you're watching a movie in the evening. Now you're done with work, you're sitting and then you want to watch a movie. Please make sure that by the time you leave that living room, you fold things nicely. Like if you're using a blanket, fold it nicely, put it in order, put the remotes in order. In the kitchen, make sure dishes are clean. Just leave everything when it's in order, so that when you start a day, it doesn't buy into the time for that day. You see, like when you start your day, you're going to the gym, you'll be coming back and then getting into washing the dishes, trying to rearrange your house, unless it's in the plan. But if it's not, just make sure you finish every daily activity on that particular day. Habit number 2 that you need to form, something that you need to practice over and over, is have theme days. I know most of you are now thinking of fashion, like, oh, I'll be wearing, African on Monday, and then I go, Indian on Tuesday. When I say have, that one can also, you can add it too, but when I say have theme days, this is what I mean. If you flash back kidogo, when you're back in high school, on Monday we used to have, let's say, on Monday we are doing, it's more of, a serious week. Guys, in the evening people go for their math sessions. Then on Tuesday we are maybe speaking Swahili. On Wednesday maybe we are doing something else. On Saturday it was meant for entertainment in my school on Saturday night. So there was that schedule that even in your mind you knew that is how things are going to go. So that's what you need to do in your planning your 2020, or rather habits that you need to form that will help your year become better. And this, I'm even speaking to those who have their companies, those who started their businesses. You need to have a way, like a schedule, like a timetable on how you're going to run your weeks. For example, Monday, Tuesday, I'd really love to be just working in the office, finishing projects and all that. Then on Wednesday, I like scheduling for my meetings outside, and not Wednesday in the morning. I like doing things like those, unless it's a pitching. But if it's for looking for new business, just going to approach a client, and love to do it maybe on a Wednesday afternoon. So you need to have something planned like that. And even on dressing, yes, please guys, everywhere that you go, just dress the part. It seems today I'll be giving a point and a point under. It's like a story within a story. So yes, on this point number 2, when I'm talking about theme days, you can also theme your closet, like how you're gonna dress, like how you're gonna dress up when you're going for meetings, how you're going to dress up when you're working from home. Yes, you're working next to your, maybe it's next to your bed, maybe it's just somewhere, it's a place where you're very comfortable. Dress according to what you're going to do on that day. And this is something I was doing last year, and I even remember I was receiving calls from my best friend. She was like, why are you on makeup? Where are you going? I'm like, but my dear, I'm actually in the office, I'm working. So that's the thing you need to do, because the way you look really tells a lot about you, and even how you look is how you feel, and even your productivity is gonna show on how your physical look is gonna connect to your mind, then it connects to your brain, then it connects to what you're typing, what you're pitching, the kind of work that you're delivering. So guys, get your act together this year and form this habit that every day you need to look good and look the part. Then number 3 habit that you need to form is this, time management is very key. And I don't like people who don't respect people's time. And this is something I used to complain so much about in my former workplace, like my last employment. My former boss never used to respect people's time. Time is precious, guys. It goes, it never comes back. So guys, time management is key if you want to get your life in order. I'm not saying that I'm the guru or the perfect one when it comes to timekeeping, but I try as much as I can because I want to respect other people's time, and it's something that we all need to do. Practice. When you say 9 minutes, so guys, time management is key, and it's gonna help you throughout your day. Last point, which is point number 3, is going to lead us to this other point, which is wake up on time. Guys, wake up on time and don't snooze your alarm. Like, it's the killer of all dreams. It's the starter of procrastination. The moment your alarm rings like this and then you're thinking of you're going to snooze it, like I would advise you to leave your phone at a place where when it rings you have to get out of your bed to go and pick it up. When you snooze your alarm, it's like you're accepting that you're a failure, you're accepting that you can just, guys, don't. Wake up on time, get up, have a morning routine that will help you, and when you plan your day the way I was telling you plan before, at least there's something that you will be waking up to, so you won't be able to just snooze your alarm like that. Then this one is interesting. Let me say it like this and just face you and tell you this because it's from my heart, guys. This one is find something. It's the last habit that you need to create. Find something that works for you and that you love and that makes you happy, that makes you feel good, that makes you feel like that you're good at, and do it nicely. If it's fitness that you love, please guys, go follow your dream of fitness and make sure you do all the workouts. If it's playing a guitar, if it's making your hair, doing it yourself. It is something that makes you feel good, because when you feel good about yourself, everything else around you will just look good. So guys, that is my last point. If you want to get your 2020 together, these are 5 things that you need to start practicing that can help you. I don't know what has worked for you, or maybe if you're watching this and there's something that you usually do that has worked for you, that has helped your year go smooth. Please, if you have, kindly just leave a comment below, and then we'll be able to just share ideas, and you can always build each other as usual. But guys, I want the best for you come this year, and I don't want you to cross this year looking back and saying, oh God, I wish I did this, I wish I did this, I wish I did this. So guys, just let your year flow nicely, form these habits, and your life will be good. And if you're new in this channel and you're new in this, like it's your first time knowing that I even exist, and you came this year and you started, welcome on board and welcome to my YouTube family. Like, I love you guys, and thank you so much for always subscribing. Please share with your friends, tell them to tell a friend, and then guys, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, kisses.